Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to download Zip Buy Now Pay Later application on your iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet or a mobile data. Now, launch open App Store. Go to the search box and type in Zip and search. Look for this application from Zipco US and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your iPhone. Zip is a buy now pay later service that allows its users to make purchases and pay for them in installment over time, typically with no interest charged. Wait for the application to download and install, and that is how you should get Zip application downloaded on your iPhone. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.